Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Reviews are an essential tool for building trust with your customers and increasing sales. Let's get started. Adding reviews to Shopify is not difficult as it sounds. If you follow this guide step by step, you can easily have a review and rating part as a bonus. First, you must sign into your Shopify account with your email address and password. Then, on your admin panel, you need to choose Apps on the left side of the website under the Online Store part and search for the product reviews on the search bar. Then, among product review apps, Shopify has a free option, Product Reviews. You can choose this app, or there are also other free and premium apps that you can use for having customer reviews. By preferring the free option, you will be directed to the page below after you click the Add App button. Click Install App on the top right of the installing page. You can view Shopify's settings of the Product Reviews app just like the picture below. After you install the app, you should click on the Online Store drop-down to find themes among them. You need to see the themes to customize them. The theme you will work on is your Shopify store, which will serve your customers. Clicking on Customize, you will view the theme editor of your web page. On the top center of the page, you will find the Home Page drop-down where you need to choose the Products option to create your product page. To be able to find your products, you need to have products to display on your website. That is how you can cross-check if your adding review is successful or not. When you scroll down the page, you need to click the Add Section button. Then you need to choose Reviews on the apps to add the reviews part. You can view the part you add before the footer, but you can arrange its position according to your wishes later on. Also, you can add the star ratings part by clicking on Add Block. To customize the product page, you can click Add Block on the product information and choose either Reviews or Star Rating to add them next to the product page. You can change its position on the list to make it more appropriate for your customers to see. At last, your product page will be ready to collecting the reviews of your customers. And that's all. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Shopify tutorials.